So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and basically see if your JBL headphones are charging or if they're not charging at all. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, and there's a few ways to kind of go about doing this. Now, with your JBL headphones, the first thing I'd recommend doing is going through and taking a close look and seeing if there's any indicators inside of your headphones. So sometimes you might be able to see like these LED indicators right here. There might be some other, indicators that you have throughout the case. So I'd recommend kind of going through and kind of seeing these particular cases that you have and trying to see if there's any indicators that kind of show you what type of light fixtures you basically have. So that's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing is to kind of go through and make sure you see that type of capability. Like if you have those LED indicators, then try going through and making sure you see those types of LED indicators. That's number one. Now, if you do, what you want to do is you want to plug in your headphones inside of a charging case of some sort, and you'll be able to see these charging cases come up like this. So once you see these, you're basically going to be set. You're going to be good. So now you can see these LED indicators start going up, they start charging, and then you can start seeing this like this, and that's all you're really going to have to do. Now, if they don't have any LED indicators, what you can do is you can make your way over into your device that you have them connected to, whether it's an iPhone or Android or whatever, and try to find a battery widget. You should be able to find your battery widgets like this, and that's another really cool thing that you can basically do here as well. You'll be able to find your battery widgets, you'll be able to see them, and then you can go ahead and just use them as you normally would, and you can see that they're charging inside of your phone. So that's basically kind of all you have to do here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.